Another Day, Another Story. Deng Xiaoping, 1904 to 1997, was a Chinese politician and reformer who played a pivotal role in shaping modern China. He was born in Guang'an, Sichuan Province, and became involved in politics in the 1920s as a member of the Chinese Communist Party, CCP. Deng was a close associate of Mao Zedong and played a significant role in the CCP's rise to power in 1949. He held various high-ranking positions in the government, including Vice Premier, Minister of Defense, and Secretary General of the CCP. However, Deng's fortunes took a turn in 1966 when Mao launched the Cultural Revolution, a campaign aimed at purging capitalist roaders and other perceived enemies of the CCP. Deng was purged from the party and sent to work in a factory in Jiangxi province. After Mao died in 1976, Deng returned to power and initiated a series of economic reforms that transformed China into the world's second-largest economy. These reforms included opening up China to foreign investment, decentralizing economic decision-making, and allowing for private enterprise. Deng also played a key role in the peaceful resolution of the Tiananmen Square protests in 1989, in which pro-democracy demonstrators were violently suppressed by the government. Deng retired from his positions in the CCP in the early 1990s and died in 1997. He is widely regarded as one of the most influential leaders in Chinese history and is credited with transforming China into a modern, industrialized nation.